This is Mark, and today I purchased this HobbyKing Paraglider. It comes with the bag that you can put the wing in. It is a rip stop material. It's got a lot of lines on it. It's a little overcast, but the wind's really low, so let's get started. All right, so anyways, I got the lines out. I'm just going to, the wind's coming from my back, so I'm just going to lay this out real nice. This will be my first flight test. Let me just check everything. All right, we got to do a hand launch. Oh boy, here we go.
Here we go. They say launch in the wind, right?
Yep, launch in the wind. But it's tricky. This is fun. This is definitely different. Oh man, here we go. All right, now I got my son. He's going to help me launch this thing. The wind's coming from that direction, so he's got to run right in front, right into the wind.
I gotta run with the wind, right?
It's tough, man, until you learn it. Paraglider nightmare. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Almost. All right, wind's coming directly towards us. Here we go. Go, go, go!
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I fixed it.
Cool. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Try the wind blowing this way. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Little throttle. We're broken. We're bent. Yeah, it's really windy. So we tried to fly this. It's just a little bit too windy. You have to fly this in like almost zero wind. But it just
has no wind.
Yeah, somewhere it has no wind. Today's just a little too windy. I can get it to go up, but once it picks some wind gusts, it just wants to go all over the place. We broke a wheel, and it's all tangled up, so we got to get it straightened out. I could try it again. We'll try it again and see what we can do.
Yep. Should have let it go. Nah. You weren't quite close yet.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Take it, take it, take it. Crash hard now. Wow.
Ah, I finally got it in the air. And she's flying pretty good. It's a little windy.
You can't come back this way? You better bring it down for him. Oh, can't really see it.
So we had this thing flying, and I'm telling you, it's just, the wind has everything to do with it. It's just a slight breeze. I think we got a 5-mile-an-hour wind with this thing. Well, I was flying it. Everything seems great from factory.
Can you feel it turn?
Yeah, you can turn with this, but like I'm saying, on a windy day, it's a hot mess. So I got this thing up in the air, flew pretty good, but trying to bring it back, the wind, as I go up for more acceleration to get more lift, it just wants to, the wind just wants to push further and further away. So your object is to try to fly on a less windy day with like 1 to 2 mile an hour wind with this thing. Ready?
I'm left. I'm still up. I'm still up.
Cool.
Oh yeah, this is perfect flying. No wind.
Let's take out the camera guy here.
Try going back that way now. Take with the wind.
Talk about it, Mark. It's recovering.
It's cruising.
There you go. Keep going.
Turn it back in the wind. Wow. Turn it back this way.
I'm trying.
To the left.
All right.
Good landing.
That was a good flight.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. It was flying pretty good. We got it up. It's just the wind just wants to carry it. I had it full throttle and trying to operate it, and it's pretty tricky.
Another nice
Yeah, dude, that's so cool.
Yeah. Shoo. Wow.
Cook it.
That wind just takes off, man.
Oh yeah, you saved it too.
Little fender bender.
little fender bender with your boy too, right?
Yeah.
Son?
Yeah. Got his finger chopped up a little bit.
Don't stick your hand in the prop, right?
Yeah, don't stick your hand in the prop.
Oh yeah, I caught the blade a little bit.
Don't catch your paraglider with your hands, just let it go. Okay, so the HobbyKing is pretty cool. Just don't fly it on a windy day. You gotta fly it with like hardly any wind. All right, so I'm Mark, and see you on the next one.